Hello everyone, it's me Abdul Hannan. Hope you're doing well. So in this video we are discussing about the DevTools, how to use the DevTool and how we can use DevTool in the funnel development. Okay, so let's start. So this is the template and this is the ClickFunnels template. So we can use this method on any website development or any funnel development. So what you have to do, right click on the mouse and go to the inspect, and next you will see the screen like this. Okay, so I think this is good to go. Yeah, now what you have to do, okay, so next you have to click here and then select the element. And when you select the element, like we want to measure the margins padding of the heading. Okay, so click here and then you can see all the details like font, look, the color, the and the font, and the font weight, and the line height, and the text line. We can see each and every parameters of the font that is applied on this heading. Okay, similarly we can also inspect this paragraph. You just have to click here and then select this. Okay, so now we have box size, color, cursor, display, font family. Mostly we are understand is like that. What is the font? What is the font size? What is the line height? Because you know that whenever the client comes to you and they want you to replicate the site, most probably they will come with some reference template and some Figma template. In the Figma you can understand like that is the design tool on which the website designs built. Okay, for the general understanding, and you have to make the website according to the design. But mostly client come with a reference site, like this is a reference site and the client wants something like this. Okay, so the content is different but the designing and the font should be same according to the reference site or the reference template. So for that you have to use the dev tool. Click here and then inspect, and you can understand the font family, the font size, the font weight, also the line height. The line height is the gap between the upper and the lower line. So the next, what you can do, you can also inspect the image. So here is the image. What you have to do, click here and then select this image. So when you select this image, you can see the image URL. So you have to click the control button on your system and click here, and this image is open in the new tab. Okay, so how you can save it, right click on the image and then you can use the extension like save image as type. Mostly you can save the images in the png, jpeg, or the web page. Save it as in the png. Okay, so you can easily get the data. So next is, we can see if we can, okay, so the next is button. So there are CTAs in the funnels in the website. So you have to understand the paddings, the margin, the font, each and everything. So you have to click here and then click here. Now you can see each detail of this button. The background color is red, and if you want the color in the hex code, so what you have to do, click here and then you will land in the background color, and this is your background color. You just need to hover the RGB, and this is your hex code. You just have to click here and control C and add in the funnel. Okay, so this is the font size. You can easily see the all the code of this element, but most useful is that you can go to the computed and you can see each and every detail in a listed view. Okay, so the next is, so this is a block. We can see the padding is 25 for the top and the bottom, and the padding is 40 for the left and the right. So the top padding is this, bottom padding is this, and the right and the left padding is this. So 40 is a pixel, the 40 pixel padding on the right and the left side, and 25 pixel padding on the left, on the top and the bottom side. Okay, so the next is okay, so the next is the radius. So you know that the button is curved and you want to know what is the radius of this button. So you can see the left radius 60 pixel, the right radius 60 pixel. In the funnel builder you just have to select the border like 1 pixel and add the color to the transparent, and then you just need to select the border radius and select the border radius to the 60 pixel. Then this will create the 60 pixel border radius of this button. Okay, so the next is, this is a font family. This is the Jost and the sans serif font family, and font size is 20 pixel, and the font weight which means that how much the font is bolded and yeah, like means thick. Okay, so this font is 70, sorry, this font is 700 pixel bold. So this is the font size, and this is the line height. And next we can also see the margins and the padding from here, and the text alignment is the center. Okay, so next we can check any other element that is mostly used, like we can cover the heading, paragraph, CTA, image. And the next is like sometimes these are the SVGs. Let me check these. This is the SVGs or the PNGs. Okay, so this is the PNG. You just have to click here and then go here and then double click it. So this is open. Now the interesting thing is that when I want to save this image in the PNG, so let me check if the background is added or not. Okay, so yeah, you can get the transparent image. Okay, so if you want to remove the background of any image, so you can go here and search background remover. Give me a second. Background remover, and you can use this remove.bg, but it can drop down the quality of the image. So I prefer you use this Adobe free image background remover. Click here and then you can go to the site. It takes some time because the site is heavy. Okay, so when you open it you can see this background. Okay, so when you open it you can see this interface. You just have to click here for upload the image, and I think we can upload one image to see how it works. Downloads, and then I think we can use this for just the understanding purpose. Okay, so you can see the background is removed, and the image quality is also the same. The image quality is not dropped down in this tool. You just have to click here and download the image, and the image is downloaded into your system. Okay, so the next we can see. Okay, so yeah, that's it. It's all about the DevTools. You can also copy the code inside the style and the compute it. But believe me, आपकी ग्रिप तभी होगी DevTool के ऊपर जब आप इसको प्रैक्टिस करेंगे, फनल्स बिल्ड करेंगे अपनी प्रैक्टिस के लिए, तो उसके बाद आपको इस टूल को चलाना आ जाएगा, और किसी भी वेबसाइट में ये टूल चल सकता है और इसकी कोई रिस्ट्रिक्शन नहीं है. Okay, so I think we are covering each and everything, and next is that you have to review this video again and again and watch this video again and again, because this is the most important step. So yeah, that's it. If you like the video, subscribe the channel. See you in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.